Wow, PMR is out here doing what? Let's see.
We're having a fundraiser, trying to raise money to get this money.
All right.
PMR,
Okay, and what are you part of? What's your club name?
P3.
P3. How does one join P3?
They have to be. You have to abide by our motto.
Okay, what's the motto? You only live once?
Our motto:
what's the motto?
encourage sisterhood, to strive for educational greatness, to be elegant and persuade others, and never, ever fear the word of Satan.
Very good.
Give me some.
Very good.
P3.
Wow. Wow.
That's right.
How you feeling, dude?
Like that. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Wow.
I'm tired.
I heard that. I heard that. Look at them. They got the hot and ready.
Yeah, they ready to bump.
Yeah. Wow.
Did you say doodoo?
Look at Harold.
It was
Work.
Can you get my dance on camera?
Sure. Yeah.
We was good.
Put it on. Well, maybe I wanted that. That's why, see?
Wow.
That's why we not allowed.
Wow.
Every time they see us, they tell us to go the opposite way.
Can y'all step for the...
Wow. Very good. Wow. Wow.
Right,
They working hard. Y'all been working hard, young man? Okay. Look at Harold. Doing it. Cleaning.
Looking at you, big boy. What's up, man?
Awesome.
That's right. You earned your color. You can have whatever you want. And it can be okay. What is P3 color?
Hello. Good. They're at Advanced Auto Parts. Right across the street from the middle school. Right. Right. PMR.
No, you're not.
PMR.
You can have a jacket.